Paonia State Park is located in west central Colorado on Highway 133, 47 miles east of Delta. The state park surrounds the Paonia Reservoir, which was built in 1964 to provide water to the rich farmlands and orchards of the North Fork Valley located below the state park. Paonia State Park has two small campgrounds, both located on either side of the Muddy Creek, which fills the reservoir at the north end. The Hawsapple Campground, with 7 sites, is located on the east side of Muddy Creek, and the Spruce Campground, with 6 campsites, is located on the west side between Muddy Creek and Highway 133. Good morning, fellow campers. Camper Steve here. I'm coming to you from Paonia State Park, located just above Paonia, Colorado. Paonia State Park is probably the smallest state park in all of Colorado with only 13 campsites. It's a primitive campsite located on either side of the Muddy Creek, which empties into Paonia Reservoir. I stayed here in September, and I gotta tell you, you're in bear countries. Let me show you what I mean. These berries are gonna turn dark purple pretty soon, and the bears are gonna come to feast. In fact, I was speaking with a park ranger, and he said that the bears come here throughout the fall to feast on these berries which surround this loop of the campground. So if you plan to come here in late September or October, I'd make sure that you're bear aware. Be very cautious. Now let's take a video tour of the Hawsapple Campground located across the bridge over the Muddy Creek. The Spruce Campground is on the west side of Muddy Creek. Paonia State Park operates a seasonal boat ramp a short distance by road just south of the Hawesapple Campground. When I was there in early fall, the boat ramp was not operating as the lake level had dropped too low due to the summer water draw-off for the North Fork Valley's farmers. When the ramp is operational, as with any Colorado lake, attendants are on site to inspect your boat. I enjoyed my early fall stay at Paonia. I had no bear sightings, but I did see bear tracks in the mudflats. Only one other camper was at the campground, so it was quiet, but I imagine the campground is crowded and full of fishermen and boaters when the water is high. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel as more campground overviews will be added. Also, check out our website at www.coloradocampgrounds.us.com. There you'll find pictures and detailed information for each Paonia State Park campsite, plus other valuable information about camping in Colorado. See you at a campground somewhere in Colorado.